So here's how I asked ChatGPT to actually prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. It said, I started with a simple assumption that two values were equal. From there, I followed standard algebra. Nothing suspicious, nothing wrong. I multiplied, I factored, I simplified step by step. Everything looked perfectly valid. Then came the turning point. I divided both sides by a term I didn't question. But that term was actually 0. And that changed everything. Suddenly, 2 equals 1. And step by step, the math led me somewhere impossible. 2 plus 2 equals 5. But it was never real. One hidden division by 0 broke the entire proof.